Bastian, it's against Letran on Wednesday.
Oh, another game to look forward to.
Santos. Laurente. Oh, wow!
And a powerful attack from Deyala.
Well, she's a high flyer.
The combination play from Inday. You see right here, the lefty. Yung blocking niya talaga has been improving.
Dan adjusting. And Deyala gets the point. She can fly.
That was just too strong. Mukhang gising na gising tong si Deyala today. Ang lakas ng palo. Nakikita natin dito. San Sebastian unable to handle that.